Oh, YouTube, do we have a fun video today. Stella sent me a case of beer, and they also sent me this giant package. I already cracked this open. Let's crack open the box and see what's in there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Stella Artois B.A.R.T. That is bartending automated robotic technology. And Stella is actually selling a very limited run of the B.A.R.T. So if you want to buy one, they're like 20 bucks. Details will be in the description. Now, this year, Stella is all about making holiday moments more enjoyable, because when you're throwing a party, you don't want to be serving people beers and having to clean up. So they designed this tech hack that you can attach to a robot vacuum, and it will serve beers and snacks, and you can just kick back with a Stella and hang out with your friends. So there's the top piece here, and then you have this piece that gets inserted into there, and then you have the base plate that goes right inside there like that. And then on bottom here, there are Velcro stickies, so you stick all 4 of these to the robot vacuum. So once B.A.R.T. is set up and installed, you put your snacks up top, you've got your Stellas up top here, and that way you can be present at your gathering, drink your Stella, hang out with your friends, and B.A.R.T. is cleaning up as it's serving beers. And I gotta say, the B.A.R.T. is actually really thoughtfully designed. It's got room for 4 chalices, and they don't fall out because there's a little tiny plastic lip right there, and then of course the beers kind of fit perfectly. And I guess now all that's left to do is drink some beer and have a party.